NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 8. Find the angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole h meters high is root 3 times h meters long. We are given pole height is equal to h meters and shadow length is equal to root 3 times h meters. Let us draw the pole and then the ground. The pole makes a shadow and we need to find the angle theta, angle of elevation of the sun. We are given pole height h meters and shadow root 3 times h. From the diagram for angle theta, opposite side is pole height, which is equal to h meters. For angle theta, adjacent side is length of the shadow, which is root 3 times h meters. We have opposite side and adjacent side. Let us write tan theta. We know that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is h meters and adjacent side is root 3 times h meters. That is equal to 1 by root 3. This is a standard trigonometric value. When tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, theta is 30 degrees. Therefore, angle of elevation of the sun in the given problem is 30 degrees.